All right, the garage door broke. I got this on Amazon, and I'll put the details in the link. The link in the details. Oh, Jesus. Why do they make it so hard to get the frickin' thing open? It's ridiculous. All right, here we go. All right, this is it right here. Looks pretty good. Opens up like that, so it goes all the way. Keypad. Here is your. Oh, this is interesting. This doesn't have a screw to it. So this must pop. Somehow it opens up. I think it just pulls down. I'm gonna have to get a screwdriver and figure this out. Huh. All right. Anyway, we're having trouble already. I just got it, and I can't get the door open. But yeah. So we're gonna have to read the directions. The way it goes on, a little screw here, pushes up in there, locks it down, and I think we can screw another screw down here. So once we get this door open, which I don't know how it opens. Usually they just slide down. We may have to do some reading here. But anyway, that's it right there. And this one was one of the cheapest ones on Amazon. Comes with a couple anchors. Comes with this, which explains how to install the batteries. It says remove the battery cover. And they're just showing you pushing it down. So let's try that. Let's open it up. Let's push it down. Ah, there we go. So it took some, Jesus Christ. It took a little bit of work. And look, there's already a battery in there. That's nice. So we save money on a 9-volt battery. Yeah, that's 9 volts. It's already in there. And this is the spot where you can do the screw. You see that? So you really just have to pull that off. And then this just slides back on, I think. Just kind of snaps in there. But you got to get the bottom little things in there too. They got that battery in there tight, man. Which is not, oh, there we go. So now when you push it, bam, done. Take it off, and you got to really push. And it comes off. So that's going to be a pain in the butt. Let's take a look at the battery. All right, so the battery's not connected. So you got to pull. All right, so anyway, this comes in this plastic, so you need to cut it off. At least get it off the contacts on the top of it. And I'm not sure. I think you should just pull it all off. You know what I mean? Okay, this is good. Now we're ready to go. The contact, if you look, you got 1, 2. You got a male and a female. So you just got to match them up, right? And you just kind of smush them on like that. Bam, done. And now we just got to push this back in there. Hopefully it'll fit. So take a look. You see how this is? Just got to slide in. Oh man, can they make it more difficult? Maybe like this. I mean, this battery is like freaking, I don't know, man. I may have to, well, we'll see how it works. All right, now we got the battery in there. Now we got to connect it. And now what we got to do is put this back on, right? So we're going to go ahead and slide this on, just like that, and then snap it. Bam. And now we're ready to go. But as you can see, I don't see any lights on this thing. So let's take a look and read this. Well, anyway, I'm going to let you read that, do a screenshot, and then we're going to give it a try and see if we can get it to open up our garage.